With each spring frame ceiling fan, you will receive 5 spring frames, 5 sets of canvas, and 15 extra springs. To put the canvas on the spring frame, you're going to line up the springs to each hole in the spring frame cloth. Put each spring in each hole as it's lined up. Leaving the first and last hole with no spring lined up. Oops. After you get the springs in all of the holes except for the first and last one, take a spring and put it in the first hole farthest from the motor, and then take 2 springs to attach it to the post at the base of the frame. By holding one end of the spring frame with the screwdriver, just screw the spring frame into place. After all 5 spring frames are in place, you can take the one spring off of each one. Attach each spring to the arm in front of it. So each of the last spring is attached to the next blade iron in front of it.